Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Grand Cherokee rear wiper. First, gather your new wiper blade. These are usually 12 to 14 inches in length. It's also a good idea to have a clean cloth handy, and you might want to wear gloves for comfort. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the ignition is completely turned off. This ensures safety and ease of access for the next steps. Now let's remove that old, worn-out blade. Carefully lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window. You'll feel it lock into an upright position, holding it off the glass. Next, look closely at where the wiper blade meets the arm. You'll find a small release tab or clip. Press this tab firmly, and then simply slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should come off with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your brand new one. Take your new wiper blade and carefully align its attachment point with the hook or connector on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a satisfying click, indicating it has locked securely into place. Give the blade a gentle tug to double-check that it is firmly attached and won't accidentally come loose during operation. You're almost done. Carefully lower the wiper arm back down until it rests gently on the rear window. Now, hop into your vehicle, turn on the ignition, and activate your rear wiper to test its functionality. Watch for smooth, clear wipes across the glass. Remember to regularly inspect your wiper blades for any signs of wear, like streaking or chattering, to ensure optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.